Hello everyone, this is Dr. Govindra Garg, and I am elated to introduce you to Dr. Roli Singhal, who has got a very beautiful rank, nearly 2000 rank in recently concluded NEET PG. What is more important is she has improved this rank from the last year 72,000, and that is a great massive improvement, and we are proud of you, Roli.
Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you, sir.
Now, please introduce you to our viewers.
Okay, I'm Roli Singhal. I'm from Bangalore. I've done my MBBS from JJM Medical College, Davangere, and I was a part of the Mission NEET program, the first one that started around 15 months back, and cerebellum was my main source of studies.
Yeah, that's great. That's great to know. So, Roli, I think you will be a role model for many of the students, not only in your college, but many other students who have got a little behind rank, maybe 60,000, 80,000, 1 lakh, and those who are feeling depressed or they are doubting themselves that they whether they can do or they cannot do. So, you will be a role model for them that if Roli has done, we can also do that. Right? So, let's guide them because as a part of team cerebellum or as a teacher, I always feel that when we take the interviews of the rankers who have got 5 rank, 3 rank, 1 rank, 10 rank, it does not help too many students because topper is a topper,
Right.
because he is studying since 5 years. Obviously that's why he is getting he or she is getting that good rank. But our success as a teacher or as an institute is when a student who is getting 50, 60, 70,000 rank and he can improve on to maybe 2000, 1000, 100. So that's our major aim, to target such type of students. So I'm very happy that I got to interview yourself, because you are such a student who has improved so much and you can guide the students better. So I think let's start with this discussion. So what happened last year that you got a so behind rank, and what you did right this time so you came to rank 2000?
So, first of all, I just want to say that it is a great honor to be able to sit down and talk to you. And like I said, that I was a part of the mission program. And the first time, like last year, when the NEET exam took place, I think our classes had just concluded. And I had not revised that much. Matlab, I had attended the classes diligently. I'd made my notes, but I didn't have enough time. And honestly, I didn't have the dedication to sit and revise everything that I had studied so far. And it was fine. Like I knew ki it's not a serious attempt. I just gave it because I had to give the exam. It was my internship attempt. And then after the results came, the thing is I didn't work hard, so I didn't feel that bad also. I got a rank of 72,000, and I saw people around me who had done really well. People got ranks in 3 digits, people got rank around 10,000, and I saw people around me taking up seats. And that was also the time when I heard about Brahmjot ma'am. And she has done her MBBS from the same city that I've done my MBBS from. And until that point, it was unbelievable for me that like somebody from the same locality as you can do so well. And another senior of mine also studied from the same college. She got a rank of 2.9 thousand. And it's an inspiration. Like looking at people around you doing well is an inspiration. And this was the time when I decided that I should start looking at BTR as well, because I hadn't done anything related to BTR as of then. And ma'am had announced her first boot camp. So I'd gone to Noida, attended the boot camp, and I had taken place, and my rank jumped to around 14,000. So again, not a massive jump, but it was a boost. Ki it's okay, you're on the right track. And sir, honestly, this was the time कि अब सब classes का एक round हो गया, मतलब mission का भी एक round हो गया, BTR का भी एक round हो गया, and this is where the FOMO usually sets in. Because now we start looking at other people कि अरे how much are you getting in GTs, how much are you getting in tests. So it's fine, मतलब FOMO सबको आता है, but I feel like at this point you just need to have that faith in the faculty that you have trusted and you have followed. तो that's what I did. मतलब थोड़ा मुझे भी ऐसा होता था कि अरे I'm not doing so well, other people from other institutes are doing far better than me, but it's okay. With time everybody catches up, and I think that's the main learning कि GT में whatever your score is, once you review it, everybody comes to the same place. So yeah, that was my main difference. Like I gave a lot of tests, and even मुझे तो FOMO within cerebellum ही होता था, because my batch was the first batch, and by the time it was, I think, January, 3 batches were done. So I'm like, I don't know what must be different in the second batch, what must be different in the third batch. So I used to just give ENDs. जो भी END दिखता था, I used to just give it. जो भी क्वेश्चन वो मिड डे मॉड्यूल्स एंड लेट नाइट पीवाईक्यूज जो भी आता था, आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट गिव इट, एंड दैट वाज द मेजर थिंग दैट बूस्टेड माय रैंक, ऑल ऑफ द जीटीज दैट आई गेव इन cerebellum, because I feel like GT जो cerebellum का GT है, that is the one that actually simulates a real exam. Like other platforms, they give it a little tougher, and फिर आप मतलब इतना टफ एग्जाम दो, फिर आपको उसका स्ट्रेस आए कि यार इसमें नहीं मार्क्स आ रहा है, इट्स फाइन, जस्ट गिव समथिंग दैट इज एक्चुअली लाइक द रियल एग्जाम एंड यू फील मच बेटर अबाउट योर सेल्फ, you'll stay on track, you'll know where you actually stand. So yes sir.
Actually, the idea behind making the GTs is that we do not want to impress students by giving difficult questions, by giving, we can say, rare syndromes or some very hi-fi concepts which are not going to be asked in the actual exam. So, what we thought is we can impress the students, but we cannot improve their ranks by doing so. So, because not only that, the students will be depressed by less scores, but the student will start studying those things which are not required, so that we do not want. So that's why we keep the exam almost similar to the actual exam. The topics which are being asked, we are tending to ask similar topics.
Yes,
And
sir. That's what I felt. All the GTs were so focused on the previous year topics. No unnecessary questions, no unnecessary information, just to the point. And later on, sir, the faculty started uploading video explanations, which
yeah,
was another great thing that you guys did, because it reduces the time that you take to review the GT by a huge amount. So GT देने का मन भी करता था, because the worst part about GT is the reviewing.
yes.
So yeah, that was a huge help, sir.
Yeah. So that was the actual pain point of many students, because the we are easily accessible to students. So many of these students, they keep on talking to us that how can we review the GT? It takes sometimes 3 days, sometimes so longer time, and even then we are not able to completely review. Another subject starts in the meantime. So what is the solution to that? So then we sit together and we thought that why don't make we give the explanation in a crisp and fast manner so that the student can complete the review within 3 hours.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's the actual idea, and we are happy that the students are getting benefited by that. Hmm. So Rolly, so this is one thing that you gave plenty of GTs. You attempted lot of late night PYQs, midday modules, and you had already attended the mission classes. So the baseline knowledge was already there. So my question is, when you were reviewing the GTs, so first of all, how was your score fluctuating in the GTs, right? When you started giving GTs and the last, and how do you manage those fluctuations whenever the score gets less? So many times the student get depressed and stop giving GTs. So how do you manage that?
So when I started, my score was really bad. Like I used to score hardly 100 out of 200 questions. मेरे सही होते थे. But it's okay. As a beginner, it's fine. You just have to make sure that you tell yourself कि it's okay. The only thing you can do is improve. And लोगों का, जैसे I used to see on the Telegram group, which was my main source of stress, honestly, that Telegram group. So I used to see people saying कि my score is stuck at 140, my score is stuck at 150. And then I was there with my score stuck at 110, 120. So I'm like, I think I'm out of the race. Like अगर 140 पे लोगों का stuck होके उनको stress आ रहा है, then where do I even stand? But it's okay. The only thing you can do is just keep moving forward, and it's very important to like surround yourself with people who support you. Like my parents are very supportive, the friend group that I have is very supportive, we keep pushing each other to do better. So bas that's the main thing. And honestly, Telegram group pe bhi, like if we message the teachers, they are so supportive and they respond so nicely. And sir, आपकी क्लास में मुझे याद है, you had told कि GT से कभी डरना नहीं है. Like it's fine, आप डर के मारे अगर GT नहीं दे रहे हो, that is the biggest mistake you're making, because you should at least have that thing कि आपने attempt तो किया. अगर आप attempt ही नहीं करोगे तो आपको गलती पता कैसे चलेगी?
Yes.
And it's fine, अभी जितनी गलती हो रही है. In the end, it all pays off.
That's great thing you have said, because डर के मारे अगर आप जीटी नहीं दोगे तो you will never come to know about your mistakes. और
Yes,
अगर
sir.
गलती पता नहीं लगेगी तो improve कैसे होगा, है ना? तो that is very important thing. Another important thing I wanted to ask, like GTs में when you are getting 100 wrong, or later on when you get 80 wrong, then 70 wrong, 60 wrong, so how you go about managing those topics which are wrong?
So, okay, so if suppose I gave a GT and I got, let's say, 40 questions wrong. So I used to look for a pattern. Like, अगर मेरे previous GT में and this GT में, it's the same topic that I'm consistently getting wrong, मतलब मेरा understanding में problem है. So I used to go back, see the notes, and if I used to feel like my notes are not sufficient, I used to go back to the main videos or the revision videos and watch that part again. And उसके साथ साथ ही like make a custom module and just solve it then and there. Or like in the app, the मॉड्यूल्स आर अरेंज टॉपिक वाइज, तो उस टॉपिक का जाके वहाँ पे वो मॉड्यूल सॉल्व कर लिया एंड दैट्स इट. जैसे लास्ट तक मेरा मेडिसिन वाज वेरी वीक, बट देन एंड आई यूज्ड टू कीप पुटिंग इट ऑफ बिकॉज दिलीप सर का क्लासेस लाइक वर वेरी लॉन्ग, तो वो थोड़ा सा लगता था कि इतना कैसे करेंगे. बट that's it. Like I feel like when I did circa medicine in a day ka module and then I went and revised my class notes, that actually pushed my rank quite a bit, like in GTs also and in the main exam as well. My medicine was very lacking. Pamax sir, aapka to it's so easy to revise because when I'm reading the notes I can hear your voice in my head. जैसे आपने क्लास में बताया था ऐसे ही ज़ैनब मैम का whenever I read radio I can hear it in my head कि वो कैसे क्लास में बताते थे. So sir, that's it. मतलब multiple revisions and it's okay. मतलब हार नहीं मानना है. It's fine if rank is bad, it's fine if score is bad, percentile गिर रहा है, कोई बात नहीं. किसी का भी ग्राफ ऐसे linearly straight नहीं होता है. It's okay. Just it's a part and parcel of the whole process. That's it, sir.
So guys, listen, this is very important thing Dr. Oli has said that when you give GT, so whatever your questions are wrong, see the pattern. If you are making mistakes, more than one mistake from the same topic, then do not leave that topic. Just hold on that topic, see it from the notes, maybe main videos, but उसको वहीं के वहीं खत्म कर दो. क्योंकि if you do not improve on that, हर जीटी में गलती होती रहेगी वो तो घबराना नहीं है. जो टॉपिक मुश्किल लगते हैं, जिनमें गलत होता है, उनको वहीं के वहीं मार दो, खत्म कर दो. So only then you will improve. So that's a very well said, Dr. Oli. Because many of the students, I feel, they review the GT, but whichever topics are difficult, they skip and go on. So
Right,
if
sir.
they keep on skipping, the same mistakes keep on happening again. So that's very important thing you have said. Now, what about ENDs? Did you attend all the ENDs?
Yes, sir. And it's a good thing actually. Like 4 days ka classes hai for one subject, and then there's END. So you get that the closure also. Okay, this subject is done. Maybe not 100%, jitna hua 80% ho gaya, but ho gaya, and move on to the next. Because before that, I feel like I used to pick up a subject and वो चलता ही रहता था. It used to not end. So that's a good thing about the program, and I feel like the structure that's there, the plan that is made is very well thought out. मतलब जो subjects which are supposed to be done together are done together. So yes, sir. And all the ENDs had very like the topics which you should know. मतलब you can't go wrong in these topics. जो भी previous year topics है, जो भी important topics है. So sir, I gave all the ENDs, and अगर कभी मेरा पढ़ने का मन नहीं करता था, I used to just open the other ENDs जो मैंने attend नहीं किए हैं, जैसे new batch के या जो 1.0 के ENDs थे, I used to do those, या जो FMG के ENDs आते थे, I used to do those. तो वही है, मतलब अगर पढ़ने का कभी मन नहीं किया तो एक END उठा लिया, या जो पहले का रखा है उसको review कर लिया. So yes, sir.
So that's a great thing you have done, because जब मन नहीं कर रहा, टाइम वेस्ट करने से अच्छा है कि कुछ कर ही लो. And
Yes,
ये
sir.
इंटरेस्टिंग है ना. तो क्वेश्चन you are listening, how a teacher is explaining, that is quite interesting. So even
Yes, sir.
sometimes when I start getting bored, I will open Cerebellum app and do any ENDs. So that's a great thing. Chalo, we have talked a lot about the studies. So let's change the topic. Tell me which teachers in the Cerebellum Academy you like the most and why.
Sir, first of all, you are there. You're a legend. तो आप तो हो ही.
हाँ, तो
And
आपने बैठा हूँ, बोलना ही पड़ेगा.
नहीं सर, वैसे भी अगर कोई और भी होता तो योर नेम इज ऑलवेज एट द टॉप. एंड सर नास्ता सर, अमृत नास्ता सर इज अमेजिंग. मतलब सर्जरी मैंने फाइनल ईयर में भी रो के सर्जरी पढ़ी थी, बट अटेंडिंग हिज क्लासेस मेक्स यू फील लाइक ठीक है ना, यू नो इट. मतलब अंदर से आंसर आता है, एंड वेरी फ्यू टीचर्स हैव दैट कैपेबिलिटी कि दे मेक यू फील लाइक इट्स नॉट दैट टफ, यू कैन डू इट. And Dilip sir has done a phenomenal job in medicine in a day. Just hats off. इतना ज़्यादा information इतने कम time में उन्होंने कैसे compile किया है, it's amazing. And sir Reina ma'am is also really nice. She is very sweet and her content is actually revisable. मतलब मैंने OBG किया था पहले दूसरे source से when I was in my third year, लेकिन her content is the only source I feel which is actually revisable. कि last में आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि अरे ये पढ़ तो लिया, अब revise कैसे करोगे इसको.
That is very important, because इतना ज़्यादा information है तो you have to concise at some point to revise, because बिना revision के याद तो कुछ होता नहीं है ना. अच्छा, what I was saying, what branch will you be opting for?
Sir, I'm honestly very confused. I don't know. अभी वही बात चल रही है हम सबकी कि कौन सा branch लेना है. So I have no idea.
Want.
I actually was interested in psychiatry,
Okay.
but let's see.
Okay. Chalo, all the best, Rolly. And
Thank you, sir.
thank you so much for talking to us, for guiding the students, and heartiest congratulations for your good rank, and best wishes for the future.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for all your guidance.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's meet at Cerebellum.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye.